Relative strength index. So it's called the RSI. It's an indicator, just like moving averages. So so click right, go insert indicator. Well, that's the shortcut if you want on the your keyboard. So insert indicator, RSI. Okay, bam, relative strength index. So that is it. So that's mine. So yeah, basically double click on it to pull up the settings. And so I'll show you my settings for it. So my length is 14, and that's the style. So the top one is green, the lower one is red. 70, 30. You'll see why. And inputs, I think the default one is 9. You can see the smaller it is, let's say 5, the spikier it will be, the choppier. And bigger it is, the smoother it will be. So I use the 14. So the two ways we use the RSI is oversold and overbought zones and divergences. So oversold and overbought, I do use them, but not too much. You'll see why. And however, the divergences, I use them totally a lot. They're actually a great tool. So basically, an overbought is when the RSI is going above that green line, so the 70, okay? When it's above that green line, we say that the market is overbought. It suggests that there's no more buyers in the market because it's been overbought. When it's under the red line, the 30, it suggests that it's been oversold, no more sellers in the market, so the price might go back up. So yeah, so if I say this just simply like this, you can think, yeah, here it was oversold and it worked, went back up. Here it was overbought, went back down. Okay, yes. However, let's look at this. Totally overbought. What did it do? Just continue to rise. Okay, so RSI overbought and oversold works in ranges. So let's imagine we've got a price going something like this. All right. Okay, and it's basically ranging in a sort of range. Okay, with your resistance here and support. Well, here the RSI will be really interesting to see if the RSI is in overbought or oversold. Okay. However, when the market is trending, just like this, well, here it will say it's oversold. However, because it's trending, it will continue. So it's not really useful. So yeah, don't get trapped with oversold and overbought because yeah, you can see it doesn't really work apart from range trading. Yeah. But how we will use indicator, the RSI, is with divergences. So divergence is when the price makes something and the RSI, which you can see is supposed to make the same. Like price goes down, RSI goes down, price goes back up, RSI goes back up. Okay, it's supposed to make the same things. So this is all the divergences. So you can see when the price goes lower, so it makes a lower low. However, the RSI, which is an oscillator, makes a higher low. That's a bullish divergence. It basically suggests that there is a bullish momentum behind it. Same for the bearish divergence. Price is making a higher high. However, the oscillator is making a lower high. So then you've got basically the same idea, just that this is flat. However, the market is going down. They're the same bearish divergence. Market is going up. However, the RSI is flat. So it's the same as this one, a bit less powerful. So yeah, and same for here. So imagine you've got the price making a double bottom. However, the oscillator is making a higher low. Well, that's a bullish divergence. Okay. So let's look at it in real examples. You'll actually see, if you look at charts, at each reversals, it's usually just before the reversal, there is a bearish or bullish divergence. So yeah, so let's look at this. I actually wanted to short this dollar yen, but never mind. So yeah, you can see, what can we see here? The price goes higher, okay? There's this high and it makes another high. However, the RSI made that high, okay? So it's this one. And it's not making another high, just like the price, it's making new lows, which shows a bearish divergence, which indicates a bearish momentum. And what can we see now? Well, dollar yen is fucking going down, okay? So that's part of our confluences when we want to trade. Let's go to a clean chart because this one is full of analysis. Yep. So exactly. So divergence here. Same here, look. We've got the price there. It's been flat. Totally flat. What is that? If you remember, it's a double bottom, okay? Double bottom, so the price is making no lower low or higher low, just flat. And what is the RSI doing? The RSI is making a new high, which indicates bullish momentum. What has the price done after that? Gone back up, okay? Same for here. Okay, price is making a new high. The RSI is making a new low. All right, lovely one here. You can see like the more powerful the divergence, the more evident it is, the stronger the move should be. Okay, so here we've got a flat move on the price. What has the RSI done? Bam, new highs, but like nice ones actually. Okay, so how we put that all together is basically, especially when you put divergence with price action and chart patterns. Okay, so when we see, for example, let's see a price going like this and then makes a lovely double top. Okay, and the RSI, you can see, makes this and that. So double top with bearish divergence. So double top suggests reversal plus there's a bearish divergence. Okay, so yeah, bearish divergence is a fucking great tool to suggest and predict a reversal. Okay, and yeah, you basically see it all the time on nearly every reversal. Here again goes higher, the RSI is lower. All right. Okay, so this is how we use RSI, and be really careful with this overbought and oversold. It's not that simple. It only works in ranges, and it's totally horrible in trends. Okay, so yeah.